First and foremost, I would like to take the time to thank you for inviting me to speak on your agenda today at the district meeting. My name is Charlene Harding, and I will be discussing the availability of role play as a learning experience and assessment tool. It's very important for a child to take part in their imagination, which is a role play, because it's a power tool, and we need to encourage them to do that. As teachers, we have to provide the child with the opportunity to develop their own imagination. The things need to be in place for this process to happen is the space. They need ample amount of space and many different props for to act out different scenarios, and we also got to give support. In order for them to explore their imaginary worlds, we have to give them the opportunity to do so. We have to incorporate different materials to encourage play. We had to create a list that stimulates literacy activities. We had to make sure they got the books and when that we talk about different cultures and different way of living. Theories like Pagan and Erickson said that a child uses play for self-teaching, and that fantasy play is a manifestation of symbolic representation, like objects and ideas through play. And as an assessment tool, using role play is a way of learning. It takes on many roles, so we have to make decisions on what the child is going to participate in. We had to evaluate how they react to the scenario, and we give feedback. Taking skills and turning them into a form of communication. So we have to observe that process. So we need to screen each child as they play. We have to when a child is role playing individually or in a group, we have to observe them and capture that meaningful detail why they are engaged in that activity, so we can talk about it later. So when our children role play, it's not like if they lose in their mind. It's something that keeps them engaged in a world that is beyond our sight. So in order for us to keep our children on point, we have to allow them to do that. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a way of learning. It's the way they teach themselves to cope within their setting. So thank you very much. I hope this helps you in your decision. Thank you.